Hey guys, right, we're going to unbox a new furnace. This is a double burn furnace, so let's start unboxing and have a look at it. Can't wait to use this sucker. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. So what's this bit? I'm excited. What I get in here? So there's leather, and they're like a rubber, they're like a rubber felty sort of glove. So that is where I got it from, LS Smith. You can find him on Google, Amazon store. So there you go. And it shows you how to put that together. So it's that guy there. This is where I got it from, that guy. Alright, so what else we got in here? We've got like a chart. This is really handy. I like it. Shows your PSI, table explanation, shows you BTU for an hour and all the rest of it, and all the different products. This is actually a 16 kilo double burner. So I'm bloody excited for this. So there's our tubing. There's our regulator. Next video you'll see it working. So that's that. I actually get a little pair of tongs, they're just tiny little ones. Let's get the knife and cut that. Little tongs, are cute little tongs. They may be handy. I don't know what's in there, I'll have to find out. They're cute little tongs. They'll be good for my little graphite moulds. So looked a lot bigger on the thing, but so there's that. I have no idea what's in here. What's in there? Oh, that's the striking thing. That's the graphite stirring. That's the graphite stirrer. So you can actually stir. I don't think I'm going to get my hand in close there to stir that, but anyway. So that's that bit. What do we got down here? That is the bells. That's the bells for the burner. And they're stainless too. There you go, so they go on the burner. So the beauty about this burner is they're replaceable. You can actually unscrew them and do them up. So I won't take all that out because there's all the fittings in there. You can see. So we'll take this out. Actually, here's a burner here. Here's part of the burner. Got to put together. Look at that. I've got to put the bloody thing together. There's one. There's another part. Did I only get one? There must be more in there. There's another one down the bottom. There we go. So we got two of those. And they're cast. They're a cast thing. So I dare say all the fittings will be in there. for that. There's the pipes to the end. I just want to rip this out. Sorry, I'm going to move you because I need to see. Going to need to see what it looks like. It's upside down. So this is a 16 kilo job. I'll bring you back closer now. All right, let's open this up. Right, what do we got? Oh, sorry. Oh yeah. We've got a fire brick. There's a fire brick for the base. What's this? That is a fire starter. This will be a flint thing that starts the fire. We've got crucibles and fittings in here. So there's the fittings for the end of the taps and the flow valves for them. So that'll go in there, screw in there, like that. And then that little washer will go in there for the air. Alright, so we've got two crucibles. Oh boy. Look at that. Two crucibles. So one of them is a 6 kilo. I'm going to get my hands dirty. One's a 6 kilo and the other one's a 16 kilo. And we've got a mould as well. Graphite mould, you get that with it as well. That's a cute little bar of size. Look at that, that's nice. Really like that. That's beautiful. It's cold. And then they've given me a leftover bit of stuff. So let's take you off here and have a look. Look at that. So I got the whole lot. I got the two burners. There should be two regulators. Should be two regulators in here. No, there's only one regulator, sorry, and it wires off. And it wires off one side. So there's one side of the burner. And then there's the other side there. So we'll drop that back in there just to see what sort of 16 kilo looks like in there. She's perfect. I love it. Ooh, look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat this in refractory cement, and then we're going to be right to use it. So I couldn't find the rigidizer here in Australia, so we're going to use refractory cement. So there's a regulator, there's the bells, two burners, tongs, fire brick, which goes down in there. And I got all of this with a graphite stick and a mould and a fire starter, which I won't use. Got all of that there for $330. Right, there you go. just a quick short unboxing. I'm excited to use this. It's a lot smaller and lighter, but I can actually fit a 16 kilo crucible in it. This big sucker, look at it. So I'm really excited. So next video, guys, next video or the next video, we're gonna get this going and see what it's like. Alright guys, hope you like that. Subscribe, like, and all the rest of it. I'm really excited to get this thing going. Cheers guys. Look at that, love it. It's all the stuff. It's cool. Oh yeah, I've got to do the cement on that as well. There you go. So the another little trick too, if you don't rigidize it or use factory cement, all the ceramic fibres will actually come up and you'll have to wear a mask. So you really have to coat it. There you go. Oh. Okay.